Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a location to your Facebook page. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Adding a location to your Facebook page is simple and can help customers find your business more easily. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your mobile device or computer. Switch from your personal account to your business page. Once you're on your business profile, look for the About section and tap on it. In the About section, select See Your About Info. Scroll down until you find the Contact Info area. Here, you'll see an option to Add Address. Tap on that. Now, enter your address details, including street, city, and zip code. You can also add your location on the map by tapping the Add Map Location button. Once you've filled everything out, don't forget to tap Save to keep your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a location to your Facebook page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Also, feel free to leave a comment below.